In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste images inside component instances in Figma. This is a common task for designers, especially when working with design systems or reusable UI elements, and knowing the right method can save you a lot of time and maintain your component's integrity. We're going to walk through a simple, yet powerful technique to achieve this seamlessly, ensuring your components remain flexible and easy to update. First, you'll want to locate the image you intend to use. This could be an image already placed on your Figma canvas, perhaps within another frame, or as a standalone element that you've imported. Once you've identified your desired image, carefully select it by clicking on it. Now, instead of just a regular copy, we're going to leverage a more specific copying function that's perfectly suited for this task. Right-click directly on the selected image, and from the contextual menu that appears, look for the option labeled Copy, Paste, As. This particular submenu provides more granular control over what data you're transferring, which is essential for our goal of replacing content within a component instance. After clicking Copy, Paste As, a secondary menu will pop up, offering several options. From this list, you'll need to select Copy Properties. This step is absolutely crucial. By choosing Copy Properties, you're not simply copying the pixel data of the image as you would with a standard copy command. Instead, you're instructing Figma to copy all the visual characteristics and fill attributes of that image. This smart copying mechanism allows Figma to understand that you intend to use this image as a fill, making it perfect for replacing content within existing shapes, especially those nested inside component instances. It's a key distinction from a standard copy and paste operation and unlocks the ability to seamlessly integrate images into your design system components. Now that you've copied the image's properties, it's time to bring it into your component instance. Navigate to the specific component instance on your canvas where you wish to place this image. Within that instance, identify and select the particular layer or shape that you want the image to fill or replace. This could be a rectangle, a frame, an avatar shape, or any other layer designed to hold an image. Once your target layer inside the component instance is precisely selected, we'll use a special paste command. On your keyboard, simultaneously press Ctrl, Alt, and the letter V. If you're on a Mac, this shortcut will be Command, Option, and V. This powerful Paste to Replace command is a cornerstone for efficiency in Figma. It intelligently takes the image properties you copied and applies them directly to your selected layer within the component instance. The beauty of this method is that it replaces the existing fill of that layer with your new image, all while preserving any other styling, constraints, or overrides on the component instance. This ensures that your component structure remains intact and consistent, effortlessly updating its visual content without breaking its connection to the main component. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to paste images directly into component instances in Figma, a technique that is invaluable for maintaining design consistency and speeding up your workflow. This method ensures your designs remain flexible and easy to update, making your design process much smoother.